just sort of give you a little idea of an airrex diesel heater. This is the infrared diesel heater by airrex. We've had this for a little while now, and it's very good, very economical on diesel, really hot. Like the heat kind of, let me stand over here, I can feel the heat over here. It really does warm you up and what's around you. Before we had two big space heaters that would just drink diesel, and I mean drink diesel, whereas this just sips diesel and puts out as much heat into things as a space heater does. I think a space heater kind of puts heat out and then it just rises, whereas this actually puts heat into you and the things you're working on, which is really nice. So yeah, I'll just sort of do a what they're like. If you're looking for a diesel heater, this is the i300, i300. It runs on diesel, biodiesel. If you're going to run it on red diesel, you will need to keep cleaning the filter. The filter clogs up and you get an error 0, which is when the filter's clogged and it can't pull fuel in. So if you're getting an error 0 and you've got one of these and you're running it on red diesel, clean the filter, because it's you take this cover off, pull the rubber bit out that goes into the tank, and then the filter sits on the bottom. You should have had a replacement filter with yours when you bought it. We clean ours out with alcohol, blow all the red pigmenty stuff out of them and put it back in, and it'll run again for another month or so. But yeah, so if yours has got an error and you're running it on red diesel, it'll be that. But yeah, for the size of it, they're not very big. You put them where you're working. Ideal for paint shops, I'd say. Someone that's doing a bit of spraying, because this actually heats the panel up rather than just blasts heat out like a diesel heater. Yeah, there you go. Just sort of what I think of an airrex heater, airrex, and I've got to say I think it's very good. So if you're looking at a heater for your workshop and you want something that just uses a bit of fuel rather than absolutely rinses your fuel, this is definitely the heater for you. There you go. Honest review, not trying to sell it, got no interest in the brand, it's just a good diesel heater, and yeah, very fuel efficient. So there you go, little review for you. And if you get an error message, like I say, after you have been running it on red diesel, clean the fuel filter.